I'll be discussing the hypothesis we used in this analysis. The null hypothesis: there will be no significant relationship between attitudes toward before recycling and subjective norms toward cheating. The alternative hypothesis: there will be a significant relationship between attitudes toward before recycling and subjective norms toward cheating. Both variables were measured using a Likert ordinal scale. Respondents provided their answers on a continuous scale, indicating their level of agreement, being strongly agree or disagree. Attitudes toward before cycling reflect individuals' positive or negative feelings about recycling, measured on a continuous scale to capture varying intensities. Subjective norms toward cheating indicate the perceived social pressure to engage in or refrain from cheating, measured continuously to reflect different levels of perceived norms. So now we will test our correlation test on SPSS statistics. We'll go to analyze, correlate, buy rate, all the way down, insert total before recycling, total subjective norms, Pearson and the two-tailed are clicked, click OK, and now we'll see our results. The correlation coefficient, which is this one, is 0.073, indicating there's a positive relationship because of the positive value. Our sample size, which is n, is 304, and our p-value, which is sig2tail, is 0.203. Since this value is greater than 0.05, we accept the null hypothesis and reject the alternative. The relationship between attitudes toward before recycling and subjective norms toward cheating indicate no significant relationship between the two variables. The correlation coefficient R equals 0.073 indicates a weak positive relationship between the two variables. However, the p-value of 0.203 is greater than our standard significance level of 0.05, meaning that we do not have enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis, so the null hypothesis is accepted. This indicates that the attitudes toward before recycling are not related to their subjective norms toward cheating. There is no effect size or power due to null hypothesis being accepted. These results are shown in Table 1, which details the test statistics.